Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we started about the recognition of different type of needs. In the same topic, we will continue the recognition of needs, and third type is other needs. Other needs. Individuals should be free to compete with each other for greater benefits. A free market economy allows producers to produce whatever goods they can sell at a profit. In a same manner, free market economy also gives the chance to consumer whatever they want, they can choose as according to their choice. Our discussion on different principles of justice has indicated that government might sometimes find it difficult to harmonize the three principles of justice, which we have been discussed: equal treatment for equals, recognition of different efforts and skills while determining rewards and burdens, and provision of minimum standard of living and equal opportunities to the needy. Pursuing equality of treatment by itself might sometimes work against giving due reward to merit. Emphasizing rewarding merit as the main principle of justice might mean that marginalized sections would be at a disadvantage in many areas because they have not had access to facilities such as good nourishment or education. So different sections of the country requires different treatment, and according to their treatment, if a government is treating to them according to Plato, that is justice. Now these factors which harmonizing the society, in the last slide I have explained all these, and just I am going to read for you. Equality among equals, a high reward for those with special merit, fulfillment of basic needs of all the people, and protective discrimination means reservation type policies for the upliftment of weaker sections. Here are the situations which you are reading on your screen, and also you can read from your book. I will read these situations and you will tell me the which principle of justice that might be used in defense of your argument. You will imagine the situation. Firstly, Suresh, a visually impaired student, you can say blind student, gets 3 hours and 30 minutes to finish his mathematics paper, while the rest of the class gets only 3 hours. So, according to you, if a visually handicapped student getting more time for attempting the paper, that is justice or not? Yes, of course, this is justice. It was the example I have discussed with you, and you must read all the situations and we will discuss in our live classes, and you will share your views with me. Next concept for justice, that is just distribution. Just distribution means right distributions. To achieve social justice in society, government might have to do more than just ensure that laws and policies treat individuals in a fair manner. Social justice also concerns the just distribution of goods and services, whether it is between nations or between different groups and individuals within a society. It might become necessary to redistribute some of the important resources of the society. So, People also enjoy some basic life conditions and opportunity, all the peoples. In case of problem, government try to redistribute some of the important resources for benefit, in the favor of benefit of the society. I hope all the points are clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.